Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong 2025. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Aries. Let's see what's coming to your money, kaperahan for 2025. Health. So maaring bibigyan nyo ng atensyon yung inyong kalusugan. Kasi nga, health is wealth. Ang kalusugan ay kayamanan, Aries. So mas magiging productive kayo, lalo na, at bibigyan nyo ng atensyon ng inyong kalusugan. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, kukuha kayo ng health insurance, yung HMO, ganyan. Or you will spend more money on your health. Like, for example, bibili ka ng mga masusustansyang pagkain or may mga gagawin kang activities that will strengthen your health, no? Palalakasin yung kalusugan mo. Example, may mga gagamitin kang tools to be fit, healthy and fit, no? You have safe travel. So some of you meron kayong pag-travel, mas maraming travel opportunities for you ngayong 2025 sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Yung iba pwedeng mag-abroad, oo. Study, yes, you're also going to learn new skills, no? May bago kang skill set na i-master. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, ito ay self-study. Yung iba naman, mag-enroll ng course online or talagang babalik sa school, no? You want to improve your knowledge. Okay, you have the Six of Swords. You have the Two of Swords. Marami kayong iisipin ngayong 2025 Aries. I think this is about strategy, no? Mayroon kayong isa-strategize related sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo. Yung iba lilipat ng trabaho, lilipat ng bahay. Although medyo magiging mahirap yung decision ninyo na gagawin dahil niisip nyo, ay, napaka-inconvenient naman yan. Ba't kailangan may baguhin? But I think may mga options kasi sa'yo na nagbubukas, no? And may mga opportunities. And yung mga opportunities na yon, minsan mas maganda siya kaysa sa situation mo ngayon, sa career mo, sa business mo. And now, you're going to explore that. And yung iba sa inyo, may kakayanan kayong pagsabay-sabayin yan, then go for it, 'di ba? Kasi kayang-kaya nyo naman. Let's say may trabaho ka, tapos may magsa-start ka ng negosyo. Kung meron ka namang tao na mapagkakatiwalaan rin or kaya mo talagang i-handle, 'di ba? Or may negosyo ka na and then naisip mo, medyo boring yung negosyo mo, gusto mo magtrabaho ulit para meron kang kakaibang routine. So I see you going to be very busy ngayong 2025 sa career mo, sa business mo, and you are going to achieve a goal or isang pangarap, no, para sa trabaho mo or career mo. And I also see na meron kang mariresolve na problema sa pera. This can be yung mga utang mo or yun nga, loans or financial struggles in the past, especially ngayon 2024. So pagdating ng 2025, you will, I think, part na rin ng pag-ano nyo to yung pagmumultitask. Dadagdagan mo yung sources of income mo para mas mabilis para sa'yo na makarecover, para mabayaran yung mga loans mo. And you will also focus on your career or your business. And nakikita ko rin dito na kayo ay magiging successful or meron kayong ma-achieve na certain level ngayong 2025, no? Yung iba sa inyo may leadership role. I also see you becoming famous, no? Meron ditong exposure sa inyo pwedeng sa social media, maaring mas mag-grow yung inyong followers. That will also lead you to more opportunities. Okay? You have reclaiming power. Yes. kinukuha mo na yung power na ipamigay mo sa iba or hinayaan mong mawala sa'yo. Yes, you are manifesting. I also see you, nagjo-journal, no? Yung mga manifestations and affirmations mo, sinusulat mo, that will also help you. Yes, you have the wheel of karma. So, ito yung, kung ano yung binigay mo, yun din yung matatanggap mo. So, pagdating sa trabaho, if you really work hard, you focus on your goals, then definitely makukuha mo yung good luck, yung fortune. Uy, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, meron kayong talento sa pagsasalita, no? Public speaking, social media, content creation, sa communication, expression, ayan. That will really help you grow your career, especially if you are a content creator, no? Or ang source of income mo ay pagka-create ng mga videos online. Telephone, there is an important communication from a family member ngayong 2025. I'm seeing someone from abroad na tatawag, no? Or magkakaroon ng major communication. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa ari-arian. Oo. May ipapaasikaso sa inyo. Lalo na kung kayo ay anak or meron kayong anak na pwedeng kayo yung kakausap sa anak nyo na asikasuhin. Okay, let's see what else. For Aries. Reevaluate your priorities. It is time to let go of what you no longer need. So, i-reassess mo yung mga priority mo sa buhay. Ano ba yung dapat mong i-let go na hindi na nakakatulong or hindi na in alignment in achieving your goals and dreams? So, halimbawa, nung mga nakaraan, medyo tinatamad kayo, hindi kayo masyado nag-e-effort. And meron na kayo acknowledgement na, oo nga, yun talaga ako last year. Or ngayong 2024. So, you're going to let go of that. May mga babaguhin ka sa sarili mo to improve your performance, to improve yung iyong mga actions na ginagawa towards your goals. So, find comfort and balance in simple ways. You have support all around you. Finding comfort and balance. So, syempre, kailangan mo rin naman na mag-relax. Kailangan mo rin naman na magbigay ng balance sa buhay mo na hindi lang puro trabaho because that's going to be exhausting. Nakakapagod yan. So, you will also do some activities or rest, pagpapahinga, no? Na kailangan mo para recharge ka ulit, 'di ba? Be bold and confident. Use all of your resources to create your dreams. Gagamitin mo raw yung iyong mga resources. Oo. Ang resources natin, ibig sabihin, existing na yan. Nasa iyo na yan. Meron ka na yan. Malawak ang resources, no? Yung isip mo, yung ideas mo, yung mga gamit mo, yung mga tools mo na pwede mong gamitin to create abundance. Example na lang, no? Napakasimple. May cellphone ka. Ang cellphone ngayon, marami ka nang pwedeng gawin dyan para kumita ka ng pera. So, gamitin mo sa tama, no? Let's say, magkikreate ka ng content sa TikTok, ganyan. And eventually, dadaming followers mo, 'di ba? Or iba't iba pang mga pwedeng pagkakitaan online. So, marami na ngayon available na mga information, videos na pwede mong panoorin, basahin, 'di ba? Let's see what else. Watch out. So, mag-ingat, no? Be careful who you deal with your finances. Mag-ingat daw, ha? Pagdating sa ka-deal mo sa pera, mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. So, you're going to be very determined na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo, and definitely, you will have financial security, Aries. Okay? And ito na nga, be with nature. Kapag kailangan mong magpahinga, mag-relax, labas ka lang, no? Spend time with nature because it will help you na mag-ground ka, ma-release ang nega energies, ma-replenish at fresh ka ulit, 'di ba? Yung isip mo. You are the image maker. What you focus on manifests. So, what thought pattern do you need to shift? Oh, ayan na nga yung let go of yung mga anything no longer serving your highest good. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. I wish you all the best for 2025. Good luck. Thank you so much and see you again.